Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone showing charging but battery percentage not increasing. If you're using any iPhone and your iPhone is showing charging option here but your battery percentage is not increasing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that your charger is in better condition. If your charger is weak, so you must have to exchange your charger or your charging cable, and once you have changed or you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to open up your settings. In settings, go for battery, and here you will get the charging option. You have to tap on it, and you have to make sure that you have enabled optimized battery charging, or you have to make sure that you have set charge limit up to 100%, because sometimes it might be that your charge limit, for example, if your charge limit is set up to 90%, so your charging will not increase up to 90%. So you have to make sure that you have set it up at up to 100%, and once you have set it up, so it will automatically increase your battery. Or if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your settings again, then go for general, and then go for software update. And here you have to make sure that you have not any software update pending, or if there is any update available, so you must have to download and install over your iPhone. Sometime it might be that your software is all up to date, so it will make in this type issues, so you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here. Or once you have checked, or if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you just have to make a force restart your phones. So first you have to try to reset all of your settings. So you have to open up your settings, go for general, then you have to scroll down and look for transfer or reset iPhone, then select reset, and here you have to select reset all settings. So here you have to enter your passcode, and once you have entered, your phone will restart. It will reset all of your settings. It will not delete your any type of data, so you can easily try this. So in this, if you have enabled or disabled any settings, so it will almost reset it. But if you are still having the same issue, so you have to make to force restart your phone. You just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. So let's try this. First, quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen for goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release a button and wait for your phone to turn it on. So once your phone has been restarted, so it almost fixed your issue. But if you're still having the same issue, so you must have to check your battery hardware. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iPhone showing charging but battery percentage not increasing in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.